Hello everyone and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today I will be making Bloomin' Daisy soap. These are the colors I'll be using here. And this is the lye water going into the oils. The base oils I use are all vegan and organic. And this soap will be available on April 1st. It's part of the Spring Fling collection. This is the fragrance going in. It has tropical fruit notes and coconut milk scent. It smells really good. I'm just going to blend this together. And we'll divide this up into 3 different sections. This is the white we're mixing first. Then the gold. And this will turn a pretty yellow color in the soap. I wanted that gold color to represent the center of the flowers, and then this green to represent the leaves. And then of course the white was the petals. I'm just going to mix up this white a little bit more. I'm just making sure that it's completely blended. And here's the mold we're using. I'm going to pour some of the green in here first. Then I'm going to take some of this white and swirl it in with the green. And the rest of the white I'm going to layer on top. I'm just using the spatula to help break the fall so that the white doesn't sink to the bottom. Just making sure that the gold is still loose. And then that will get poured on top of this white. Just going to tap this and get out some of the air bubbles. And then I'm going to take the rest of this green and white and make a design on top. And then I have a little bit of this green in the liquid, in the oil. And I'm going to drizzle that on top as well. This will make the top look shiny. Then I'm going to take this popsicle stick here and I'm going to swirl it, but I'm going to swirl it at an angle this time instead of going, you know, parallel with the edges of the mold. And then I'm just going to clean up around the edges here. This is just so that later on when I cut the soap, there's no little chunks of soap hanging off the end to break off. It doesn't do anything, it just makes it look a little bit nicer. And then here's a close-up of the top of the soap. And then about a day later here, I'm ready to cut it. And here's the first bar. This smells really good. Has a very fruity and tropical scent. I really like how this came out. I think the pattern came out nice. I really like these swirled bars. And here's another, or the last bar. And then of course the two little end pieces I'll cut up and use for samples. If you like this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel, and feel free to share this. It really helps my channel out. Also, if you'd like to see me make anything different, please leave comments with your suggestions. I upload videos every Monday and Thursday. And thank you for watching. You have a great day.